Hello guys, I want to show you how to insert text into a file with CMD. First, go to Start menu, type CMD. The black screen will open. Now you need to move to the destination folder. Type CD, then the folder destination. Now this folder will open. Let's create a file first. Type this line. Null for creating an empty folder. If you want to put something inside the file, just type anything, then the file name and hit enter. As you see, an empty file has been created. Now let's insert some text to it. Here, type the content you want to insert. And hit enter. Let's check our file. And here it is, our text. Let's insert an empty line. Let's check. Here is an empty line has been added. This is it all. You will find the lines in the link on the description.